Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla konrit kisang ma ne kesngi ulaong. Baka jing pentrikam ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act arhajar khat kendai kan umdon jing Ktah ke Jylla. Namar kahap hapo ki schedule area ki bela pelat nak jing pengat hapo ketika act. Habakran bekelap patai kubor usang mau laong baya kanika act on pentrikam tang hakikat tu kat niki bentar jong ke Jylla ki bahap hapo ki non schedule area. Kat kum ke jing sngo ke jong u. Ya karai banwan ra ki kendon kenang ban pentrai kami ketika act ki longkat kum ki kendon ki belabu da ke sarkar India.
The 6 scheduled areas, are completely exempted from the CAA, and hardly, as I said, we used to say 99%, but it's actually 99.9999%. There's a small section which is non-scheduled area. But apart from that, the entire scheduled area has been exempted, so it will not have any impact on the state of Meghalaya. There is hardly municipal area of 2 to 3 or this entire European ward of 2 square kilometers or 1 square kilometer, whatever it is. It's really not a big impact. The entire rest of the state is exempted from it. So I think we are looking at that one dot which is there and not realizing that the rest of the 99.999% is not included. That's what is important to note.